Welcome to the InterSystems overview of enhancements to the interoperability user experience continued in the 2025.3 product releases. This demo highlights the new functionality and streamlined workflows designed to make building and editing interoperability productions faster and more intuitive than ever. One of the immediately noticeable changes you will see are increasing wizard-based experiences to guide users end-to-end for specific critical tasks. We introduce wizard-based tasks for creating hosts and directly auto-creating routers, as well as building routing rules and transformations directly in the production configuration view with split panel access to easily see what interface changes you are making. These experiences can be combined with numerous enhancements to your common workflows. Note that VS Code continues to offer the new embedded GUI for DTL and Rule Editor. Now let's look at other new and improved functionalities that come with this experience. Productions consist of many elements, including hosts, interface logic, and data transformations, to name a few, and these can be difficult to navigate. Leverage these new advanced navigation functionalities to improve your workflow and productivity. Filtering on your production items, such as via string search, host, IP address, port, and much more, is enabled in the search bar above your production to quickly find and troubleshoot interfaces. For viewing connections on especially larger and complex productions, use the Show Connected Host toggle to filter your view to show connections on a selected host only. Editing your host categories is also made easier with bulk category editing. You can add hosts to an existing or new category. Notice pool sizes on each host are now visible for quick identification of a misconfigured host. Expanding your process hosts shows you your router elements, rules, and transformations emulating your data flow. Select the View icon to open the editor split panel. Notice selecting an individual rule in a rule set will scroll directly to that rule in the set. Use the search capabilities in both the production as well as in the host panel to search the entire settings panel to find settings you need to confirm or adjust. In these settings, drop-down fields are available to easily search for available values to help you make changes to your interfaces more quickly. Multi-select host activity configuration is now available with the ability to bulk enable, disable, and stop hosts with just a few clicks. Lastly, source control hooks are also available for code migrations between your environments. Let's talk about data transformations. Data flowing through your production requires manipulation, validation, and complex changes before its intended target. The new DTL editor experience offers many new features aimed to increase productivity and decrease your time to value. The undo-redo capabilities can be used to quickly reverse edit your transform logic when enhancing the statements. Similarly, direct copy-paste actions are now available to quickly reuse common functionality across your interfaces. Also found in the rule editor is autocomplete for most HL7 fields, no longer requiring memory of your HL7 segment names or custom function naming conventions. Searching continues to be enabled on drop-down fields in the DTL editor, and these drop-down lists are scoped by the DTL class, narrowing down the search even further and avoiding inconsistencies and errors in your code organization. Lastly, setting the default programming language for all your custom code statements can be done to save time for purely ObjectScript or Python DTL transforms. The next workflows we are aiming to enhance in the new interoperability experience are testing, troubleshooting, and monitoring of your interfaces and productions. In the production configuration, each process host can pass through a test message to test the logic of the router and generate the output message for you to review for correctness. The test button is available when the production is running to quickly troubleshoot potential errors in routing or transformation logic when the production and/or downstream targets provide clues to misconfigurations. Testing a DTL is also available from the DTL editor, where providing the wizard, a test message allows you to quickly validate your transform logic to ensure correct message format and content even before your production is running. Additionally, you'll notice starting in 2025.3, we have made additional panels available to view more components of your production for you to quickly navigate in the same view the messages, queue, jobs, and event logs. Each of these applications can be opened in split panels to be moved to the top or bottom, including the production configuration, on your screen for easier viewing and troubleshooting between each dashboard. Lastly, a legend is available as a guide for the several visual indicators corresponding to the statuses of the hosts in the production so you can quickly address issues in your interfaces. Thank you for watching this video on new functionality made available in the new interoperability UI. Please download the latest community kit to try out these new features. Stay tuned as we will continue to provide additional functionality and workflows in the coming releases. For any feedback, please send your comments to ux@intersystems.com.